My dearest friends, as we journey through life, there are certain things we might wish we could hold on to a little tighter. That youthful spring in our step, the glow in our skin, and perhaps even that effortless way our bodies seem to repair itself. We often assume that things like smooth, firm skin, bright eyes, and supple joints are simply lost to time. But what if I told you there's a truly simple, all-natural secret hidden right under our noses that can actually help bring back some of that youthful radiance? Prepare to be amazed, because in just a moment, I'm going to reveal 7 incredible seeds, yes, tiny seeds, that have the power to naturally boost your body's own collagen, keep your skin wonderfully hydrated and elastic, and even shield the precious collagen you already have from breaking down. You see, these aren't just ordinary pantry items. One of these seeds, in particular, you won't believe which one it is, it's number 6 on our list, is so shockingly potent, yet nearly all of us thoughtlessly throw it away every single time. Once you uncover what these small, unassuming treasures can genuinely do for your skin and overall vitality, you'll never let them go to waste again. So, settle into your favorite armchair, perhaps with a comforting cup of tea, and let's unlock these amazing secrets together. You see, while seeds may appear small and unassuming, they are quite literally tiny powerhouses of life, brimming with the very essence needed for growth and vitality. Each one is absolutely packed with a rich blend of amino acids, those fundamental building blocks of protein, along with essential fatty acids, crucial minerals, and potent antioxidants. Everything inside a seed is perfectly designed to help it blossom into a strong, thriving plant. And when you incorporate them into your diet, you're essentially feeding your own body these same life-giving building blocks. The most exciting part? Several specific seeds are extraordinarily beneficial for enhancing our skin's health and boosting collagen production. They naturally contain the precise nutrients your body needs to effectively build collagen and elastin, those 2 marvelous proteins that work together to keep our skin beautifully plump, incredibly smooth, and wonderfully youthful, helping us defy the visible signs of aging with nature's own wisdom. First on our journey to renewed skin vitality are the magnificent pumpkin seeds, which I like to think of as the true collagen champions of the plant world. There's a wonderful reason for this. They stand out as one of the richest plant-based sources of zinc, a mineral that is utterly indispensable for robust collagen production. Without enough zinc, your body simply cannot properly put together new collagen fibers. It's almost like trying to construct a sturdy house without any nails. It just won't hold up. But these amazing seeds offer much more than just zinc. They're also abundant in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that diligently safeguards your existing collagen, alongside magnesium, which works wonders to keep your skin calm and minimize any inflammation linked to everyday stress. And let's not forget the beneficial protein they provide, supplying those vital amino acids that collagen itself is made from. To effortlessly incorporate these into your routine, simply enjoy a small handful of raw or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds daily as a wholesome snack. You can also generously sprinkle them over your salads, stir them into your favorite soups, or easily blend them into refreshing smoothies. Just be sure to steer clear of the overly salted or flavored varieties, as excess sodium can unfortunately lead to unwanted puffiness and dehydration, which certainly won't do your precious skin any favors. Next, let's talk about chia seeds, those incredibly tiny yet remarkably mighty hydration heroes for your skin. Despite their small size, they are absolutely loaded with beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for calming inflammation, diligently protecting your skin's natural barrier, and helping your existing collagen maintain its strength and integrity. As an added bonus, chia seeds also contain both protein and zinc, offering a delightful double victory for boosting collagen production. One of their most fascinating qualities is how they absorb water, transforming into a lovely gel-like coating. This property aids tremendously in keeping your entire body hydrated, and importantly, extends that precious hydration directly to your skin, helping it stay supple and smooth. The most effective way to enjoy them is by soaking them. Just add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water and let it sit overnight. In the morning, drink this refreshing mixture, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon for an extra dose of vitamin C, which further enhances collagen support. You can also effortlessly toss them into your daily smoothies, mix them into your breakfast yogurt bowls, or even incorporate them into homemade energy bars. If you've ever considered trying a delightful chia pudding, I assure you it's a wonderfully creamy and healthy treat. Moving on to a personal favorite of mine, we have flax seeds, which I lovingly refer to as nature's Botox seeds because of their remarkable ability to support skin elasticity so powerfully. These little gems are exceptionally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for calming down any inflammation, alongside unique compounds called lignans. Lignans are a special type of antioxidant that diligently shield your precious collagen from being broken down by harmful free radicals, those tiny unstable molecules that can cause damage over time. Working in harmony, these compounds are instrumental in helping to keep your skin beautifully firm and wonderfully smooth. Now, there's an important tip for enjoying flax seeds to ensure you get all their goodness. Always make sure to grind them just before eating. Whole flax seeds often pass right through our digestive system undigested, meaning we miss out on all their amazing benefits. Once ground, you can easily add them to your morning oatmeal, sprinkle them generously over salads, blend them into your daily smoothies, or simply stir them into your favorite yogurt. Just remember to avoid heating them too much, as this can unfortunately diminish their delicate and beneficial omega-3 fats. Our next incredible discovery takes us to the ancient wisdom of sesame seeds, truly an ancient beauty secret that has been cherished for beauty and vitality across Asian and Middle Eastern traditions for thousands of years. These humble seeds are loaded with a remarkable trifecta of nutrients: zinc, copper, and selenium, each playing a critical role in promoting healthy skin and vigorous collagen production. Zinc, as we've learned, helps your body actively create new collagen, while copper provides essential support for elastin, the protein that gives your skin that lovely, youthful bounce. Selenium, on the other hand, acts as a diligent antioxidant, protecting your skin from various forms of damage. The wonderful thing about sesame seeds is their incredible versatility in the kitchen. You can lightly toast them to bring out their nutty flavor and then sprinkle them generously over stir fries, roasted vegetables, or simple rice dishes. Alternatively, you might enjoy them as tahini, which is a creamy sesame seed paste, perfect for drizzling over fresh salads or blending into flavorful dressings. Following that, we arrive at sunflower seeds, another wonderful gift from nature and truly one of the best natural sources of vitamin E. This particular nutrient works hand in hand with collagen, almost like a protective guardian. Vitamin E is instrumental in helping to prevent collagen breakdown by shielding your skin from something called oxidative stress, which is caused by everyday factors like pollution, sun exposure, and daily stresses. Moreover, these cheerful seeds are also notably high in both selenium and zinc, providing a truly powerful triple anti-aging punch to your skin's defense system. To easily incorporate them, simply snack on a wholesome handful of raw sunflower seeds or scatter them over your morning oatmeal or delicious smoothie bowls. Just as with pumpkin seeds, it's best to avoid the heavily salted or overly flavored varieties to keep your skin happy and healthy. Now prepare yourselves for the biggest surprise, a true aha moment that will surely have you rethinking a lifelong habit. This next revelation is about watermelon seeds, and I promise you it's truly going to shock you. Most of us for years have simply tossed these little black seeds aside without ever realizing that we've been discarding one of the most incredibly nutrient-dense foods imaginable for supporting collagen health. Yes, those very seeds you've been effortlessly spitting out since childhood are, in fact, an absolute collagen-boosting powerhouse. These tiny treasures are jam-packed with magnesium, zinc, protein, and iron, all crucial elements that work tirelessly to keep your skin firm, beautifully hydrated, and remarkably youthful. Let's dive a little deeper into why they are so special. Magnesium, as research has illuminated, is vital for proper hydration and significantly improves your skin's natural barrier function. When your skin barrier is strong and healthy, it locks in moisture far more effectively, which wonderfully translates to fewer fine lines and that coveted, plump, elastic look we all desire. Then there's zinc, absolutely essential not only for creating new collagen, but also for the critical process of wound healing. It's even known to help regulate oil production and calm inflammation, which is why it can be so beneficial in reducing breakouts. Without sufficient zinc, collagen formation slows down, and our skin inevitably begins to lose its youthful firmness. What's more, watermelon seeds are surprisingly rich in plant-based protein, providing your body with a bounty of essential amino acids like arginine, which studies suggest can actually help stimulate collagen production and improve vital circulation. Since collagen itself is made up of these amino acids, eating seeds like these literally gives your body the raw materials it needs to build more. And finally, they contain iron, which boosts blood flow and oxygen delivery to your skin's tissues. When your circulation is robust, your skin naturally appears brighter, healthier, and radiates that gorgeous, youthful glow from within. So, from this day forward, instead of mindlessly discarding these precious seeds, I urge you to think of them as tiny, invaluable, anti-aging treasures. The best way to enjoy them is to roast them lightly at home, just a few minutes in a dry pan until they become delightfully crunchy. You can then snack on them plain, sprinkle them over your favorite smoothie bowls, toss them into vibrant salads, or even mix them into homemade granola or your beloved trail mix for an extra dose of beauty nutrition. Last, but certainly not least, we arrive at the truly remarkable hemp seeds. These stand out as one of the very best plant-based sources of complete protein, meaning they generously provide all the essential amino acids your body needs to thrive. This includes key amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are precisely the building blocks used to create collagen itself. Beyond their protein power, hemp seeds are also wonderfully rich in both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These vital fats work together to significantly reduce inflammation and bolster a healthy skin barrier, keeping your skin feeling soft and protected. Incorporating them into your daily routine couldn't be easier. Simply add a generous spoonful of hemp seeds to your morning smoothie, sprinkle them lavishly over your avocado toast, or stir them into your fresh salads. They possess a delightful, subtle, nutty flavor that surprisingly complements just about everything you can imagine. Now, you might be wondering, with all these amazing seeds, how can you best incorporate them for maximum collagen benefits? The wonderful news is that you can truly enjoy them both separately and in combination. Here's a simple and effective way to craft your very own powerful collagen seed mix right at home. Take equal parts of pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. To this blend, add some ground flax seeds and hemp seeds. Once mixed, store this nourishing blend in an airtight jar where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Then simply sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons daily over your meals, perhaps on your oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or even just in a snack. For your chia seeds, it's best to keep them separate and continue soaking them overnight, specifically for their exceptional hydrating benefits. And those surprising watermelon seeds, enjoy them separately, lightly roasted as a delightfully crunchy snack on the side. By adopting this approach, you ensure your body receives a wide and diverse array of vital nutrients every single day, all working in beautiful harmony to boost your collagen production naturally, helping you look and feel your absolute best. If you're ready to take your skincare journey to an even higher level and genuinely witness smoother, firmer skin, perhaps even in just a few short months, know that embracing these natural methods can make a remarkable difference. There are many wonderful resources available filled with routines, delicious recipes, and supportive communities that guide you toward naturally firming your skin, focusing on simple, God-given solutions. Always remember, the most profound and lasting results often come from the simplest, most natural things. It's a beautiful thought that all the remedies we need for strength, health, and healing from the inside out are truly right here on Earth. I genuinely hope this information empowers you and blesses you with renewed vitality. Thank you so much for spending this precious time with me today, and I look forward to sharing more insights with you very soon.